Hello YouTube, this is G3 Fab-Works again. We've got another project finished up. Sweet little Honda Talon. Let's go out and take a look. Check it out guys, this is a very nice little Honda Talon. Illusion purple. Brad Hacker with single shot powder coating done an awesome job on this color. Man, it just pops. Now, I did not build the kickers or the front bumper or the little tailgate guard. All I did was the cage, roof. It already had the other products that came. Very, very nice. Just can't believe this color without looking at it in person, guys. Truly amazing. Very nice. All TIG welded joints. Color kind of fades them out because it is a two-stage color, so it's pretty heavy coat. Check out that roof line. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to do this for me.